Bing may have a big problem. I was using Bing in class the other day, and I was looking at pictures of a dinosaur game. I just searched up the most random key terms, survival game where you kill creatures, dinosaur. I think that's the exact search term I used. And if you look through the searches, which I'll show you soon, you'll scroll through and you will see some videos which are directed to YouTube will have a preview function that just shows porn. So far it's only been one of them that I found, but I was scrolling through and I saw it randomly preview without my mouse even going over it. It previewed just porn. And I thought I'd look into that. So I clicked on the YouTube link and it took me straight to a normal YouTube video. I couldn't find anything that had to do with the actual image that I clicked on. It had to do with anything with porn. All the adverts on it were just random shitty games, web games, or advertisements for other games. There was nothing that had to do with porn. So I don't understand how or why porn showed up. I've done some searches online, and all I can find when talking about Bing and pornography has to do with them removing it and making a Bing, like a explicit Bing URL for their searches. So I have no idea why or how that showed up. I think it can be quite dangerous, or if any kids are going on there searching for dinosaur games and that video shows up and porn plays. I've searched the video through Google. I use Firefox, and first I couldn't find it. Then I searched the actual YouTube video name, and then it showed up. And the same thing, it just didn't show any porn. It was just, it didn't preview it, but it just showed the thumbnail. So I don't know what the problem is. I don't know why Bing has this issue. But I'll show you it now. Take a look. Okay, so if you look here, this is exactly what I searched. Mobile game where you move around an open world and fight creatures. Dinosaur. And I'll search that again in a new tab. So see that it's all raw. You scroll on here, and I don't think Google has this, but my Bing previews all the gameplay. But if you go down, you'll see found boss, that one. And I'm going to censor it, of course, but when you hover over it, it is just porn. And the website in the bottom right is blacksuperballs.com. Now, the funny thing about this is none of these other videos show it. None of them. They're all just actual previews of the actual YouTube video. And when I click on it, it doesn't preview. I can then open the YouTube video, and I'm not signed in on here, but once I go through this ad, you'll see it is only gameplay. You can skip through all of this. Don't know where that white screen came from, but you can skip through all of this, and none of it is whatever's in the preview. So I don't know if you can upload your own previews, and that's what this person's done. They upload their own preview and it's just porn, and YouTube allowed it or something. Or if somehow Bing, for some reason, has confused the video with another one, and they for some reason have the same preview footage, because all these here is just some adverts. So Amazon games for free, nothing else. I can maybe, if you inspect element, maybe let's find it. There it is. So let's inspect that. The actual footage, does it show where he gets the footage from? Is it a script? So right here, it goes away when it's not playing. I don't know how to make it stay. Sometimes it plays on its own, which is really weird. Okay. There's audio to it. You can tell what's happening there. I don't understand where it could come from. This link takes you straight to that again. I need to find where the video that plays, I need to find where the preview video plays, because I just don't understand. Maybe the username for the video is like dinosaur penis. Yep, I don't know. I'm sure if there was someone else who actually knows what they're doing here, I'm sure you guys could find something. But right now, it's quite crazy. But yeah, I think that's quite insane. I really don't understand how they could make such a stupid mistake. Hopefully that Bing can fix this, and this won't be a problem that happens more often, because it is genuinely insane. I can't. And also, I was on my university computer, so I don't know if my university has like restrictions and that kind of stuff. I assume they'd have some restrictions, but I just don't understand. So here I did a Google Lens search for the image, and it shows up here, found boss. Can't really do anything with this, not that I know of at least. And then if you search the exact thing I searched, you will go down, and that video, that thumbnail is nowhere to be seen. Maybe you have to scroll down for much longer, but it's nowhere to be seen. And my Firefox on Google doesn't do the preview. Maybe I can change the setting on that, but from as it is, don't see how I'd be able to see it. Again, here it shows up again. Nothing changes. It is the same video, takes you to the same locations. So I genuinely do not know what it could be. If I select element here, I don't know where I'd find if it has I don't think it would show a preview. And then if you go on YouTube, the preview on YouTube is just the video. So I don't think it's a custom preview made. I think it might be an issue with Bing, where Bing just randomly put a video of porn there. Maybe it's for its explicit site and they got the hashtag messed up. I don't know. But yeah. Thank you.